Okwijika ebintu by'omugenzi General Ronda Nyakairuma yakoreye ihanga okutwire ebiro bishatu aha Speaker Resort Munyonyo kwahenderera izoba n'okushaba okwayebembera umureberezi wa North Kigezi Bishop Onesmus Asimwe. Omwebembezi w'ihanga General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni niwe yari omugenyi mukuru. Oryo mureberezi wa North Kigezi Bishop Onesmus Asimwe yashaba abantu bona kurebera ha mugenzi General Ronda Nyakairuma aha bintu ebyakoreye ihanga hamwe na nokundeka ye.
We need to emulate the example of General Ronda. He was a family man. He knew how to balance work and family. A caring husband and a great father. He was a very humble man, down to earth.
Oguya yongera yashaba abanyamahebona okwekwatsa Mukama ngo niwe muhanda n'amazima.
We have seen generals, early to Mine, we used to preach together, General Biraro and many others. And by the way, if generals can be born again, then what about the rest of you who are not generals yet?
A word about our national army UPDF, where General Ronda served for most of his life as a living witness to all the armies that Uganda had had since independence. I wish to observe that UPDF stands out a unique independent force which has examined its track of record into discipline.
Ebe bikiri aho orumuko mugenzi Linda Alonda omukugamba kwe yashaba abanyamahe kugumana bayishika amakaga abagenzi abarugiro munsi.
To the UPDF family, that I thank you for taking care of us and running to our rescue whenever we call on you. And at this point, I would like to ask the UPDF, please keep checking on the widows of the fallen officers because they really don't enjoy their husbands' presence, don't enjoy their husbands when they are still alive.
Omukugamba kwe omwebembezi w'ihanga General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yahabura abantu okurekeraho kwetomboitira Mukama ahabukuba nuwarukuchwamu.
To leave everything, to say whatever bad thing happens, it is because of God. I also don't agree. For instance, in the case of Ronda, I didn't know that he had some medical issue to do with which I didn't know, to do for some time that he had a medical problem to do with the heart.
Yayongera yashaba abantu korogwabo eyarhanga bakajimurekera.
Coming to what the bishop was saying and what the other preachers were saying, I want to confirm this, that if you do God's work, God will also do yours. Now, for instance, Ronda died, but he had done his part. But his family is here. It is progressing.
Gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirana wa Sky Television Agenshon.